How to change your profile picture in 8-ball pool. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your profile picture in 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you do not know what 8-ball pool is, it is a 8-ball pool game. You can get it from your App Store or Play Store. It's completely free. And yeah, just download it and start playing. Now, if you're already a player, and if you want to change your profile picture, this is how you do it. So tap on your top left corner on your profile, and after you do that, you will see a small edit icon right on the top right corner of your profile. Tap on it, and there you should see different options. Now here, as you can see, to get a profile picture, you will actually need to buy it using your coins. So just choose whichever you find that you want or that you like. You can simply buy it and then use it. So let me just buy one for this case. So let's say that I want to buy this one right here called Toxic. I'll just buy that and just wait for it and then tap on use. After I tap on use, now I can use it. Now if I go back, you'll notice that my profile picture is now changed. Now as you can see right here, there is also another option that says use default. Now this is my profile picture because I have connected it to my Facebook. Now if you also want your profile picture to be of that of your Facebook, you can head over to the settings icon that is on the bottom left corner right here, and tap on this login with Facebook option. Log in with Facebook and your profile picture will then get changed into whatever it's on your Facebook. And that's basically how you change your profile picture in 8-ball pool, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.